What's going on out there, good people? I am traveling today, so not able to actually trade the market, but decided to go ahead and pull the laptop out here at the airport and took a trade on ZFOX, ZFOX. Solid trade. I actually locked in on half of my position at 290. Actually looking at the 12-hour, which is up here, I might have gotten out of that a little early if ZFOX can hold $3. I'm in at 270. I had 100 shares. I got out of 50 of them, like I said, at 290 as this kind of came back down. Again, getting out for no real reason other than to lock in some profit. I'm going to go ahead and drop a trend line right here, and we're going to see that this is trying to break out the bottom of it. Now, had I done something like that and got out of this, that would have been a good reason. But right now, I have an order in the system, an OCO, got brackets in to where if I'm still in this trade at market open, my stop is break even. So I'll break even on this last 50 shares, but I'm gonna try to see what it does. We do see that it's fighting to stay in that channel. I'll go ahead and extend that to the right just in case it continues up. I have the 12-hour chart pulled up right here, basically showing that we got room up to 350. This has room up to 350 using this area right here. And I took this trade because it was gapping up. And when I came and sat down, like I said, I got in at 270. So got in as it was clearing this area, and I put my stop below it. So basically my stop was below that zone. And we see that it never even came down in the zone. And we're just letting it do what it do. Had to make an unscheduled trip this morning. So I kind of figured I wouldn't be trading the actual market, but once I got to Atlanta, I decided I'd go ahead, pull out my laptop, see what the pre-market watch list was doing. And this is a pre-market penny stock watch list that I have. And for the most part, all morning, ZFOX was at the top of that list. We do see now that Lucy was one that I was going to trade as well. You see back over here is where I pulled my laptop out. It got out of this channel and just kind of been sideways trading. Not something I really want to be a part of. One thing that I do see on this and on ZFOX, I did the same thing. I just kind of started drawing these little pennants, like a pennant flag that you would get at the ballpark or stadium. And then I just extended it out until it finally broke out of the channel. You can see that pennant right there. That's the bottom. That's the top. We finally get the breakout. But yeah, and I may even tighten this stop up a little bit more just to go ahead, capture some more profit if this fails this channel. And I got my flight leaves in about 30 minutes, and I'm in the minute suites here at Hartsfield. Usually I'm in the Sky Club, but this morning I'm at the minute suites, and I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna cancel these brackets, and I'm gonna go single, boom, and yeah, see that just broke that area. What are we doing? Get me out. There we go. I'll go ahead and get out of that position. That That candle closed outside of the channel. I should have waited on this one to see if it can get back in, but I didn't like how that was closing. So decent little trade. Like I say, small size, basically was risking $10. We made a little bit more than 2R on the trade. And that's what we did while we are traveling. I'm gonna go ahead and sign on off, and we will be back at it when we are back at it. Peace.